Welcome to my recap with live trades. I hope you enjoy the content. Today was a green day. Finished the day up almost 2%. Was a actually 1.96%. I'm really happy about that. Didn't really have too much going on. I took a trade off the open on Nvidia within the first 5 minutes, and that went all right. Only one contract, so just happy to be to start the week off with a green day. So yeah, that's it. First trade, Nvidia here. I'm gonna take the first like 5 seconds or so I don't have recorded or I don't have it on the screen. It just shows where I entered, and then I switch over to that monitor because I have a new layout where I only have two charts on each screen, and I use two main screens. So here goes. So what I do is I take an opening range breakdown of Nvidia, and I was watching it on I believe the hourly or the 15 minute. I forget which one, but there was a Head and Shoulders. Nvidia's on the right here, and I'm already in. As it broke low a day on the third one candle. I got in on the ask. One contract, my cost is 339, and I'm gonna sell on the ask. I just want to start the week off on the right note. If we do get some good setups, I'm gonna stick with two contracts. I adjusted my hotkeys a little bit, or my hot buttons. I started using hot buttons about half the time. So I adjusted them to be able to buy two contracts on the bid. Actually, 1 cent above bid, which I like to use. I do plan on sizing up a little bit like I did some of last week. And yeah, I just want to make sure that we have good conditions to do that. I like a lot of the red coming through on that tape. So I got out there on the ask and at 339 to 420. So not bad, 81 bucks. And then the next trade, so I took I'm not going to really go into detail here, but basically I played an Apple here, this flag pattern or sort of pattern, flaggish pattern, whatever it is. A little late on my entry, but get in one contract there, and this trade ends up being a small loser. Wasn't this? That's just. Oh man. So, anyways, Apple. Yeah, I get it for 290, so $6 minus commissions, and then I took another trade on Baba that was I don't even have recorded. Yeah, until I just missed that trade too. Baba, I took this sort of little flag and then took the break of it and then sold the next candle into the ask. And then um my cat's name is Nugget. This one, I have three cats, by the way. His name is Nugget, but I call him Stinky. Our housekeeper, she said he stinks a lot, so or when he poops he stinks. So Baba there I made yeah, I just had a bunch of there's one more or I had two trades here on Penn. I had a bunch of these time trades here on the trades window are just paper trades. But yeah, I had a pen trade that was I made like 10 or 9 bucks on 9 or 11 or something like that. And this flag selling into strength, just not trusting the price action, and not wanting to give back the gains. I'm just happy with the small win on a Monday. I had two like $9 winners on pen, and then I had final trade. So yeah, I just close out there on top. One more. Yeah, here I just take a little pen. The prior day's high break, close out, and then this market closed at 4 o'clock Eastern. So yeah, that's it. I appreciate you watching. It's gonna be a short video today. But yeah, I didn't really take too much. Had pretty good discipline, and I took off risk. Trades off the open are a lot more risky, and it's easier to win or lose a lot more money. So made my got up 2% almost on the day. I'm happy with that, and yeah, it's not much money, but my account's not that big, so I can't. I'm not gonna gamble. I'm not a gambler at heart. Definitely more conservative, as you know if you watch my videos. So, um, slow and steady wins a race, and I am here for the long haul. Not here to blow up my account. Yeah, I could, maybe I'd be up a ton, or maybe I'd have above 25,000 above the PDT rule if I were more of a gambler. But I don't want to. I don't know. I do need to kind of find a. There's a fine line. I need to, know when to step it up and put on risk. There are days when like in trades when I know like I'm almost 100% sure the trade's gonna work, and those are the times when you have like not only a news catalyst but great technical analysis and just all kinds of the news is so good and the setup's so good and the volume and everything lines up. Those are the times when I really need to step it up. Um, so yeah, the only reason why what holds me up with that is since I have a cash account and I don't have quote unquote unlimited buying power like some people claim they have. I My fear is that the trade will be a scratch or something, and then I'll use up my buying power in that scratch trade. But if that's the worst that happens, or I take a small loser, it's not a big deal. Sometimes you gotta take a chance to break out account. Break out the account. So, anyways, thank you for watching. Appreciate you. Have a wonderful day, and stay tuned for hopefully some exciting content. Goodbye. Goodbye.